Now they want to raise money to provide the Tausif Memorial School with a proper building. Lisha Hassan Ali reports.
Shiraz Ali Khan is helping to build schools in Pakistan. The first school is already operational, with one room, one teacher, and a handful of students in the shanty town of Gulshan Iqbal.
We realized that education is actually a solution of many problems in our society, including corruption, street crimes, extremism, which is one of the vital problems nowadays. And one of the most effective tools and one of the most strongest tool of fighting with all these problems is education.
But there are many obstacles. Recently, the Taliban has targeted schools in Pakistan. Some extremists also feel girls should not be educated. Children living in poor areas are especially vulnerable.
I went back to Pakistan in 2006, and that's when it really hit me that there is a lot of poverty there, and there are a lot of children that are not getting the basic education that they need, like kindergarten, all that kind of stuff.
The Pakistan Youth Organization wants to change that. They meet weekly to help fundraise and plan events. Most in the group are from Pakistan and have made trips home to visit the school. They hope to nurture a personal connection with the school they are building.
You know, doing a big brother, big sister with one of the kids, one-on-one, you know, listen to their part of the story, you know, listen to their whatever's gone in their life and, you know, give them a little bit of feedback. I think the kids over there, they need a lot of mentorship. They need someone to look up to.
Individual donations keep the one-room school going at the moment, but they need $25,000 to see a permanent building for the Tausif Memorial School. The fundraising has just started and they have a long way to go, but seeing the difference they've already made keeps them motivated. Lisha Hassan Ali, Omni News, Calgary.